Hi everybody, welcome to You Can Do Math. Today we are going to discover the beauty of inscribed angles. Let's get started. All right, so we have 4 examples for today. The first 3 are for me and for you to take notes, and the 4th one is on your own. But I go over it, of course. All right, so let's take a look at this circle, and I want to talk to you about inscribed angles. Inscribed angle is where the vertex is on the circle. Let me show you what I mean. Take a look at K. This angle here, MKL, this is an inscribed angle because the vertex is on the circle. Also, M right here, this angle, KML, this is also an inscribed angle. And also for here for L, this angle here, the KLM, this angle right here is called an inscribed angle, right? Because its vertex is on the circle. Remember, this is not on the circle. This is on the circle. It's on this arc right here. That's what on the circle is. Okay, so I want you also to notice that we have a value in degrees for one of the inscribed angles. So I always want you to start there. It's a great piece of information that can continue to keep going to solve other parts of a circle. Now let's look and see what our goal is. Our goal is this question mark. What the heck does that even mean? Well, it wants you to find the arc of K to L. That is the question. We want to find how many degrees is from K to L if we're given an inscribed angle. All right, so if we were in class, I would have you grab some colored pencils and just mark all over this in color. It really helps it come to life, but we don't have that. And if you do, I recommend drawing it out on your notes and then actually take different colors. I locate the inscribed angle and then I follow it all the way out. And notice I go outside of that circle as well. And then I connect it, which means there is a beautiful property that happens with inscribed angles. It means that if this inscribed angle is 72, we're going to double 72 and it will give us this arc. That's a really cool property. So let's just say randomly, right? It's not true, but like if this arc was 100, well then this inscribed angle would be 50, or this is 50, this would be 100, but it's not, it's 72. So if we take 72 and we double it, it gives us 144. So this arc from M to L is 144 degrees. All right, that's super cool. But that doesn't give us this arc of KL. But what we do know is that a full circle is 360. So if we take 360 and we subtract the 144 and we subtract the 90, then that gives us our final answer. So let's go ahead and do that. So if we add 90 and 144, that gives us 234. So we have 360, and we're going to subtract out the 234 because we did 144 plus 90 gave us the 234. And then when I subtract those two, I get 126, and it's degrees. And there's your answer. That's your arc. I just think these are fun. I don't know why. I just find that they're just little cool puzzles and you just got to look to see where you got to go next. All right, so example number 2. Ooh, this one looks kind of cool. But remember the strategy that I taught you. Go to the inscribed angle that you're given the degree, because that will prove to be very helpful. So the inscribed angle that gives us a degree, ooh, I don't want that color, blue, is 107. So I'm going to follow that angle all the way out and then connect it on the outside like that. And so if that inscribed angle is 107, then that intercepted arc is going to be double 107, right? So then therefore it is going to be 214. All of that is 214 in between here and here, because we took our inscribed angle And now this is the intercepted arc. This is the arc right here that's been intercepted by this angle. And so now it's 214. We need to solve for this question mark. So I'm just going to take the 214 and subtract out that 140, and that will give us what's left over, which is 74 degrees. And that is the arc of KL. Okay, you like these? I know I can't hear you. I always ask you questions, and I know I can't hear you respond, but such is life. Okay, here is example number 3. Our intercepted arc right here, we do not know, nor do we know this inscribed angle. Okay, so what do we do next? Well, let's look at the full circle. We know that a full circle is 360, and they give us these two pieces. So if we start with 360 and we subtract the 115 and subtract the 75, right? That gives us 170, which is this arc right here. Now we want to find the inscribed angle though. So therefore, if we take a half, right, if we divide it by 2, that gives us the inscribed angle, which is 85 degrees. Okay, so example number 4 is for you. Here she is. I'd like you to pause this video. I'd like you to get a strategy involved about where you're going to go and how you're going to find this arc of CA, and then press play when you're ready. Okay, hi guys, welcome back. So I'm hoping that you noticed the inscribed angle here is 41. So therefore, you decided to draw out your 2 lines, and then you notice that arc BC is going to be 82. And then from there, you can start with the 360 and subtract out the 160 and subtract out the 82, and that leaves us with the remaining arc, and that is going to be 118 degrees. All right, I felt like I went a little bit fast with that, and you're going to need lots of practice. So once you're working on the assignment online, please don't hesitate to get a hold of me and email me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. All right, bye guys.